Are you looking to get the most out of your next cruise without breaking the bank? From practical essentials to fun accessories, there are a few Amazon must-have items that will make your trip more comfortable and enjoyable. Here are the 10 best affordable items you should consider before your next cruise. Links to all items are provided in the description below. Using travel packing cubes can have several advantages. They can help you stay organized and save space in your luggage. By classifying your clothes and other items into different cubes, you can easily find what you need without having to dig through your entire suitcase. This can be especially helpful if you're on a multi-destination trip and need to keep your clothes and accessories organized. One tip is to use different colored cubes to quickly identify your clothes on the ship. Cruise ship luggage tags can have several advantages for travelers. Firstly, they can help ensure that your luggage is properly labeled and identified. By attaching the tags to your bags, you can easily identify them and ensure that they are delivered to your cabin or stateroom. Secondly, cruise ship luggage tags can help streamline the embarkation and disembarkation process. We once had to take a cruise shuttle in the pouring rain and we're glad to have these water-resistant tags. Magnetic hooks are a handy accessory to bring on a cruise ship journey. They are small, lightweight, and easy to pack, yet they can be incredibly useful in a variety of situations. One of the main reasons people take magnetic hooks on cruises is to create extra storage space in their cabin. Many cruise ship cabins have limited storage options, so adding magnetic hooks to the walls, doors, or ceilings can help you keep your belongings organized and easily accessible. Another advantage of magnetic hooks is that they don't leave any marks or damage on the walls. If you found this video helpful, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing for future videos. Your support helps us create more content like this one. When packing for a cruise, it's always a good idea to bring a cruise-approved power outlet extender that is not surge protected. This type of device allows you to plug in multiple electronic devices at once, which can be especially helpful if your cabin has limited electrical outlets. However, it's important to choose a cruise-approved extender that specifically states it is not surge protected. This is because some cruise ships have restrictions on surge protectors due to safety concerns. We also always bring a simple, affordable universal power adapter. Bringing an international power adapter on your cruise ship journey is a great way to ensure that you can use your electronic devices with international power outlets. This way you can use the ship's UK power outlet. Bringing a card-holding lanyard on a cruise ship journey can be a convenient and practical option for keeping your cruise card, ID, and other important documents easily accessible. There are several advantages to using a card-holding lanyard on a cruise. First, there's the convenience. A card-holding lanyard allows you to keep your cruise card, ID, and other important documents close at hand without having to rummage through your pockets or bag. This can be especially useful when boarding and disembarking the ship when you need to show your card frequently. Second is security. A card-holding lanyard can help you keep your cruise card and other important documents safe and secure by keeping them close to your body at all times. This can be especially important when traveling in crowded areas, such as on a busy deck or during an excursion. Third, it makes for hands-free. A card-holding lanyard allows you to keep your hands free for other activities, such as taking photos, carrying drinks, or holding onto railings. Overall, bringing a card-holding lanyard on your cruise ship journey can be a practical, convenient, and secure way to keep your cruise card and other important documents within easy reach. Taking a waterproof phone case on a cruise ship can be a smart idea for several reasons. Firstly, a waterproof phone case can protect your phone from water damage. Whether you're lounging by the pool or taking part in water-based activities, there's always a risk of your phone getting wet. A waterproof case can help keep your phone safe and dry, even if it accidentally falls into the water. If you're going on a beach excursion, a waterproof case can help prevent your phone from getting damaged by the elements. In addition, a waterproof phone case can be useful for taking photos and videos underwater. If you're planning on snorkeling or diving, a waterproof case can allow you to capture amazing footage without worrying about damaging your phone. Overall, taking a waterproof phone case on a cruise ship can provide peace of mind and extra protection for your phone. With so many water-based activities and destinations, it's always better to be safe than sorry when it comes to your phone's safety. A chair towel clip is an essential item for a cruise ship that can help you reserve your spot on the deck chairs, keep your towel from blowing away, and make your trip more comfortable and enjoyable. Just don't be a chair hog that leaves their chair for hours unattended. It's small, lightweight, and easy to pack, and it's an inexpensive accessory that can be used on multiple trips. There are several advantages of taking a reusable water bottle on a cruise ship. First and foremost, it is an environmentally friendly choice that helps reduce waste generated from disposable plastic water bottles. Many cruise ships also have water refill stations, making it easy to refill your bottle throughout the day. We use this collapsible bottle for two reasons. First, it's compact, and second, it fits under any water station without touching it. Bringing a reusable water bottle on your cruise can also make it easier to stay hydrated, which is especially important when spending time under the sun. Overall, by bringing a reusable water bottle on your cruise ship, you can save money, help reduce environmental waste, and make it easier to stay hydrated throughout your trip. Bringing Bounce 3-in-1, Instant Anti-Static Spray, and Instant Wrinkle Release, Odor Eliminator and Fabric Refresher on a cruise ship journey can be a practical and convenient way to keep your clothes fresh and wrinkle-free. This versatile spray has several advantages, including anti-static, which helps eliminate static cling from your clothes, which can be a common problem in dry climates or on a cruise ship. This can help you avoid embarrassing static cling situations and keep your clothes looking neat and tidy. The second advantage is that it also includes an instant wrinkle release feature that can help smooth out any wrinkles in your clothes without the need for ironing. This can be a huge time saver, especially on a busy cruise ship where you may not have access to an iron. The Bounce spray also has an odor eliminator feature that can help freshen up your clothes and eliminate any unpleasant smells. This can be especially useful when packing dirty clothes or dealing with musty odors in your cabin. The fabric refresher helps to keep your clothes smelling fresh and clean throughout your trip. This can be a great way to extend the life of your clothes and avoid having to do laundry on the ship. Overall, bringing Bounce spray on your cruise ship journey can be a practical and convenient way to keep your clothes looking and smelling their best. This item is a bonus item but optional. Decorating your cabin door with fun magnets is a great way to add some personality to your cruise ship experience. Not only do door magnets make it easier to identify your cabin, but they also create a fun and festive atmosphere. There are many different types of magnets available, ranging from personalized designs to pre-made ones featuring popular cruise ship themes. You can choose from a variety of materials, including vinyl, magnetic sheeting, and plastic. Some popular designs include sea creatures, tropical flowers, and nautical themes like anchors and compasses. You can also create your own custom magnets to showcase your family name, a special occasion, or your favorite cruise ship destination. Whatever your style, adding fun door magnets to your cruise ship cabin is a great way to make your trip more memorable. By packing these 10 affordable items, you'll be well prepared for your next cruise and able to enjoy all that it has to offer without any unnecessary stress or discomfort. If you are still watching this video, I would like to say thank you again. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Your support will help create more content like this.